Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Hennessy barbecue wings. Let's get to it. Now, first thing is we're going to do a rub for the wings. These are the ingredients we will be using for the rub. Baking powder, black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, sweet paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. And I have in this bowl the seasonings already mixed for the rub. I have the chicken wings here that are already washed in lemon juice and rinsed it in cold water. We're going to add the seasoning to the wings. Let me wash my hands so we can mix it all in together, the seasoning. See? Let me rinse my hands. And then I'm going to cover this up and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and fry the wings. And I also forgot to tell you that it's smoked paprika you must add to the chicken seasoning, also with the sweet paprika. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have a pan here with canola oil. You can use vegetable oil also, but I like canola oil. Now we're going to have the chicken wings jump into the oil. We're going to fry them till they get nice and crispy on each side. We don't want to crowd the pan too much, then it'll steam it when the pan is too full. I think one more piece can fit in. Now let's see if it's time for to flip them to the other side. Yes, it is. Now let them cook on this side. Got it bubbling up in the oil. Now, taking the first batch out, and it's time to add the second batch. Now we're going to let these cook up until they're nice and crispy and well cooked. Now that the wings are finished cooking, we are going to make the sauce. And these are the ingredients we will be using for the Hennessy barbecue sauce. Soy sauce, orange juice, sweet chili sauce, cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar, Hennessy, Dijon mustard, brown sugar, minced garlic, minced onions, honey, Worcestershire sauce, orange marmalade, crushed red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Now let's get to making the barbecue sauce. I have a pot here, and we're going to turn it to medium low. First thing we're going to do is add the soy sauce. We're going to add all the ingredients at once, except for the Hennessy. That's the last ingredient. Orange juice, minced garlic, the onions, the brown sugar, the honey, the sweet chili sauce, the apple cider vinegar, the Worcestershire sauce, the crushed red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, the black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. We're going to mix all of this up together. Stir everything up. And now we're going to add the orange marmalade. And some Hennessy. So we're going to let this simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now it's time for the Hennessy barbecue sauce to jump all over the wings. Now we toss it. Hear the crunch of the wings? Smells delicious. Here you have it. Hennessy barbecue wings. Enjoy. Well, it looks very delicious. I have someone here who's going to try the wing and tell you how it tastes.
It's me, y'all, Chef Marcia, live from Mama Marcia's kitchen to try one of these Hennessy wings. Because I told y'all in the first video, I'm the wing king, so let's get busy with this.
Mm.
Amazing. All the flavors come together through this. It definitely tastes a strong taste of Hennessy. If y'all love Hennessy, you're definitely going to enjoy these wings. This is, if not better than the Dallas BBQ, for those of us that live in New York, we know Dallas BBQs. Is, if not better than the Dallas BBQ wings, it's right there next to it. She did a fabulous job with this. This is great, Mama. This is awesome. Love this. Definitely try these wings. The flavor is amazing. I got no other words than just try it, because this is one of my favorite dishes. Well, any wings is my favorite, but definitely, you like Hennessy and barbecue, definitely take a try with these.
If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Oh, yes. And by the way, check out some of my older videos on the screen below. Bye.